welcome back to my channel. If you already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, you need to subscribe right now. My name is Bubbles, the baddie for my new subscribers. I'm getting super duper long nails today. I'm getting fucking long nails, and I'm super excited because those are like a whole fucking vibe. They're so fucking cute. The only thing I'm worried about is like, will I be able to fucking function? But we're gonna see, okay? So I'm about to go get these nails done. I'm already at my appointment, so yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this freaking video.
1, 2, 3.
Hey baddies, this is day 2 of my back to school prep. Okay, so today I'm dyeing my hair. This hair is from Arabella Hair. I want to thank them so much for sending me this wig. This is a 613 body weight wig in 20 inches, and it is a 13x4 frontal. First step is to let the hair sit in the soft lavender color. After letting the hair marinate in the soft lavender color, now just to tangle the hair to make sure that it will be able to absorb the second color. Now I'm just letting the hair sit in the periwinkle hair color. I'm detangling the hair once again to prepare it for the final step. When I took the hair out of the periwinkle color, it still felt too dull and too pale, so I decided to actually start painting the dyes onto the hair, and I even added in a neon pink color just to give it even more color and more dimension. I'm that bitch. Been that bitch. Still that bitch. Hey, will forever be that bitch. Yeah. This hair color came out so fucking. Yeah. This hair color is bomb as fuck. Like, I surprised myself. I'm being completely honest with y'all. I surprised myself because I didn't think it was gonna look this fire. It looks so freaking good. Y'all, my hair looks so freaking bomb. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it, honey, okay? So, I gotta say thank you to my wig Quilly because he slayed my head. Once again, what's new?
Nothing new, nothing changed.
I mean, this is a weekly thing. He always slays my hair. Like, the hair, the crimps, perfect. The fucking baby hairs, because let's really get into these. Yeah, get into it. Perfect, a work of fucking art. Like, he really did the fuck out of this. I did the fuck out of the color because let me, like, I did this color. I got purples and pinks, and I'm really giving. I don't know what I'm giving, but I'm fucking giving it, okay? Like, period, okay? Y'all gotta make sure y'all follow my tutorial so I can get this look because it looks bomb as fuck. Like, hey, what was that, sweetie? What? Oh my goodness, that looks so cute. Like, period. As much as I like this look, it took me so freaking long. Like, it took me a good, I started doing my hair at like 11 or 12 something. It took me like a good 4 to 5 hours to get this fucking hair color right because like I had to keep trying different things because I really wanted like a lavender color and they didn't have that in the store. So I was like, okay, well, I'm just gonna buy 2 purples in between those, like 2 purples that's in between that lavender color and mix them and get the lavender color, but it did not work out like that. So basically after that I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna throw some pink in there, throw some purple in there, like some deeper purples, and this is what I came up with. It looks so good. This is really a freaking serendipity because I did not think it was gonna come out this well, but I'm obviously so glad that it did because my hair is bomb. Like, oh my goodness, it's so freaking fire. It's so freaking fire, y'all. Like, bitch, I cannot. If you want to shop this hair, I'm gonna have all the details linked down below, including a coupon code. This hair is $613 originally, but obviously I dyed it, and it is 20 inches. Y'all see that comes, you know, about to the end of my bra, and I'm 5'3" for reference, and it's giving body. Ooh, I'm giving face, but like I really look bomb as fuck. I gotta thank Arabella Hair for sending me this hair because I look so bomb with it, and I like when I get like 613 hair because I can be creative like this and try out new looks. And I know y'all like when I try out new looks too, because black gets boring very easily. But yeah, y'all, I love it. Like literally, I'm not even kidding y'all, I think this might be my favorite freaking hairstyle that I've ever gotten, like for real, because it's colorful, it's fun. I love crimps, I love how it looks on my skin, the baby hairs. Like this literally is like my favorite hairstyle because it's so good. I love it so much, like I don't even want to take it off. Like I love this hair. It's so fun and different. Like I'm loving it. 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 I did get some pictures and some videos when I got my hair done. Obviously I'm going to insert them.